Hi everyone, welcome to Science Tech Day. Today I'm going to take you through on how diodes work, what is a diode, and the application of these diodes. And now, today generally we are going to talk about the PN diodes, because we have many kinds of diodes. I first have to say that a diode is made out of two leads, then it has a black body, then it has also a white strip which is surrounding it. And now, inside the diode, it's made out of a silicon, in which these silicons, in most cases, they add in some material to make it active, or to make it work, or to make the electrons move freely. You need to first of all understand what conductors are, and what semiconductors are, and what an insulator is. Because now these diodes can also work as an insulator, and can also work as a semiconductor or a conductor. What do I mean? That a diode, when you connect it when it's reverse biased, a diode won't allow a power to go through. So there it can work as an insulator. So that's why I'm telling you that I have to first take you through how these materials work. So a conductor in most cases, it's made out of a copper. That's why in most cases our wires are made out of a copper. Then it also has a rubber. This rubber protects the electrons to flow through it. And now the copper wire allows free electrons to flow through these wires freely. Then we also have a semiconductor. Now when I go through these semiconductors very well, a semiconductor can work as an insulator, or can also work as a conductor. But now, what are semiconductors are? For it to work very well, you should also add in some external conductor with your battery. Will allow the flow of electrons to go through very well.